Hi everyone, my name is Delaney Dennis and I will be talking about the smartphone, my experiences with the smartphone, and the technology as a disruptive innovation. You may be wondering what a disruptive innovation is. According to our lectures, I found a great way to describe it as quote-unquote a powerful way of thinking about innovation-driven growth. According to Harvard Business, a disruptive innovation is an innovation that created a new marketplace and value network and eventually disrupts an existing marketing and value network, displacing established market leasing firms, products, and alliances. The smartphone can be seen as a disruptive innovation because prior to the smartphone, people used personal computers to reach the internet. Now, the amount of people on the internet is primarily through smartphone. The smartphone app marketplace also created a huge market for new products and new services. Now, why I chose the smartphone. I chose it because of my familiarity with the device personally. Also, 3.5 billion smartphone users connect to it personally as well. 77% of Americans own smartphones. It is a very big part of our society and world and influences us all greatly. My personal experience with smartphones started when I was only 14 years old. My first smartphone was an amazing experience. I was astonished about the reach I had with such a little device. There was apps for literally everything. I had a calculator, a compass, a flashlight. I could also connect with family and friends through social media, which I had never done before. It was super interactive, as people would like my posts and comment. It was a new way to connect with people and make new friends. I also could spend hours playing games from the marketplace or watching YouTube videos, which inspired me to create videos and new edits. I could also receive an abundance of information and help with my personal hobbies or experiences through Google or YouTube. I found a lot of creativity in posting and using new apps. It changed my life as now I am following a career centered around social media and seeing what we can achieve with it through a marketing perspective. The design of the smartphone. The smartphone was designed to be a portal for quick and fast community and communication. Features like mobility, face sensors to enter our phones and enter personal information, entertainment from the marketplace of games and apps, camera features, editing, and more made smartphones irresistible and appealing to everyone. Before, people were lugging around personal computers to meet this level of entertainment and the level of features the smartphone has. Many people would not use their personal computers in public as a source of entertainment, whereas you see almost everyone with smartphones using it as a way to connect with people, games, social media. The big concept or overall message I see the smartphone portrayed as would be the concept that smartphones in society are a sense of innovation, community, growth, and relationships. The smartphone shows just how much we can accomplish innovation and continues to grow in features. The sense of community and relationships it also establishes through FaceTime, social media, is the main way people connect nowadays. The impact of smartphones on public are countless. The public typically uses smartphones to update others on their personal lives. They will take pictures on vacation and upload it to Facebook to update people on their lives and their personal experiences. People use smartphones to use online banking, to deposit and withdraw money easily, follow the news through online media, and compare and contrast with others' ideals and thoughts. People also use it as a source of navigation, a way to get direction to new places they are going, or new restaurants, menus, ordering online, etc. Smartphones have also had negative effects on the public, like the spreading of fake news, or the rise in depression and anxiety from social media we are seeing in youth. Doctors are even studying the effects from the smartphone on our brains, as we see a jump in insomnia, our bodies, as we see a jump in neck strain and hand strain, and eyes, as we see it resulting in eye strain because of the use of blue light. Future impact may result in diverse interfaces, as we've already seen, AirPods, Google Glasses, etc., or moving past touchscreens to devices used through the brain or voice. We love the idea of mobility, so a device that we could use with just the thought or us voicing that we have a question, concern, need direction, etc. We may also see stretchable screens. We love the idea of mobility, so we love the idea that we could fold and mold and not have to be so careful and precise with our devices that are handheld. We may also see much more hands-free devices, anything that's integrated in ourselves, maybe integrated in our brain, or a SIM that we carry around and connect with others. We may also see highly involved voice assistants. So this moves in between artificial intelligence. It is a way to mold our brains with our phones. Someone that could, at the snap of a finger, be there to let us know our health diagnosis, let us know what we need to eat more of the day, keep track of how much we've worked out, what we have already ate, and what other proteins and vitamins we need throughout that day to make us healthier, faster, and stronger. We may also see devices that can tell our mood. So if we are anxious, telling us to lay down, telling us as a brain alarm clock when we need to wake up, maybe through vibration or something that isn't as harsh as our loud, typical alarm clocks. All of these features indicate that the smartphone may be disrupted itself. We will see a lot of other new devices coming in and maybe taking over the iPhone, like the iPhone did to personal computers, or we may still use the iPhone as we do personal computers, but there is something that we use to communicate with others and connect with others in a more fast, predictable, compact way. So, thank you to everyone for listening why I think the smartphone is a disruptive innovation and how the future will continue to evolve the smartphone in a way that is very impactful on society and ourselves personally. On the next slide, we have my work Cited, which has all the information that has contributed to this presentation. Thank you everyone for listening, and goodbye.